There's a couple things that I think have been really key to Monstercat's growth over the years. One is they've always been very innovative and have done a great job of embracing new technologies. They also have done a fantastic job of finding the overlap between gaming and electronic music, which really has exploded over the last decade or so. One of the most fun things about working for a record label on the event side is the success of an event doesn't just come down to did it make money at the end of the night. If we have an event that gives us an opportunity to create a platform for music and artists to be put in front of new audiences that maybe we weren't reaching before, that can be considered a win. The people that I have seen really rise to the top of their fields, the number one unifying characteristic that they all share is that they didn't quit after they really took one on the nose. You don't have to be an absolute genius, but just by not giving up, oftentimes you end up being the one person with the most experience left for people to turn to when they have questions.